Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Timmy, and in today's video I'll be sharing with you a simple treatment you can try at home to stop breakage instantly. So if that's something you're interested in, please keep on watching. So the most important ingredient for this treatment is red palm oil, and I'll be using a generous amount of this oil combined with 1 spoon of castor oil, 2 spoons of homemade avocado oil. I'll leave a link in the description box on how to make this oil. I suggest you check the video out. I'll be adding 1 spoon of Jamaican black castor oil by Sunny Isle, a spoon of shea butter, and lastly a few drops of eucalyptus oil as my essential oil. So next I heat up the oil in some hot water and I stir so that the oil can mix together evenly. As you see, slowly but surely the shea butter melts. I use a small portion of each oil so that none of the oils will overshadow the palm oil. Please don't feel pressure to use any of the oil I've used except from the palm oil. You can customize this treatment the way you like. You can replace any of the oils with another oil. You don't have to use as many oils as I've used. You can even use the palm oil alone. Finally, when the oil is clear and see-through, that is when it's best to apply the oil to your hair. You can leave the oil in the water for a while to warm it up. This could also pass as a hot oil treatment. So before I apply the oil, I spray some water onto my hair. I finger detangle lightly. Then I apply the treatment from my scalp to my roots. Please pardon my silly facial expressions. I don't know why I make faces while I do my hair. And for some reason, my hair was very soft. And don't worry, it smells like the essential oil, the eucalyptus oil that I used. I'm just showing you that just running my fingers through my hair makes it break. That's how fragile my hair is at this moment. So make sure you add a lot of this treatment to the ends of your hair, as they are the oldest parts of your hair. So when it comes to applying products on my hair, I like going in with a lot of products. You don't have to use a lot of products. Honestly, a little amount goes a long way. Trust me when I say this is the calm before the storm, because it's going to get very messy. So this treatment is quite messy. I advise you to be careful so that you don't mess up your station or your walls or your clothing. You can also place the oil in an applicator bottle so that you can control how the oil comes out and is less messy. And might I add, combing my hair was a breeze. It was so easy, I could do it all day. And then breakage and more breakage. Put my hair back in a bantu knot and repeat the same process for the rest of my hair. If you stick around long enough, you see the result of this treatment. So let's get into the amazing benefits of this treatment for our hair. But before then, if you're enjoying this video so far, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and leave a comment for me. It helps my engagement here on YouTube. Thank you so much. So you guys, I have done half of my hair and we've gotten this amount of breakage, just half of my hair. It's all over my body, as you can see, my earrings. So palm oil is an antioxidant rich in vitamin E that benefits the hair by promoting cell growth of the hair follicles, resulting in stronger hair. Palm oil also contains fats and lipid acids that help keep your hair and scalp moisturized. Finally, palm oil maintains the collagen that holds the hair together, thus reduces hair loss by promoting the growth of stronger, thicker healthier hair, meaning it prevents breakage. While castor oil and Jamaican black castor oil helps to thicken the hair, it has moisturizing properties which help lubricate the hair shaft, increasing flexibility and decreasing the chances of breakage. For the avocado oil, I wouldn't want to dive deep into it. If you are interested in learning how to make an avocado oil, you can always go and watch my previous video. Avocado oil is a very hydrating and moisturizing oil. For the shea butter, it is a holy grail for me. It's an excellent moisturizer. It softens my hair, it makes my hair shining. I really love it. And lastly, the eucalyptus oil. As you saw, I only put a few drops of this because it is an essential oil. It has methanol content, which gives my hair a very cooling and refreshing effect. Eucalyptus oil has antifungal and antibacterial properties, which prevents any fungal or bacterial infections on my scalp. All of them added together creates this anti-breakage blend of oil. So this is what is left of the oil. You can dilute it with any other oil of your choice. I cover my hair to steam it. I left it for a few hours, and this was the breakage I got throughout this treatment, which is a lot compared to what I get on a regular. And this is the shed hair I got while washing my hair. So while washing, just before shampooing, make sure to run a lot of water through your hair so you don't have to over shampoo your hair. So I ran out of conditioner. That's why my hair looks like this. So I begin to detangle my hair. If you have difficulty detangling your hair, I'll leave a link to a video that shows you how to step by step detangle your hair easily. I urge you to watch the video. Going with a comb just like I did before this treatment, and you guys, this is the moment we have been waiting for. And you guys see that there is no hair on the comb. That just means that this treatment works, and my hair is back on track. Though I still got a few strands out of my hair, probably because of how I was combing my hair and stuff, but that's fine. And I go in with this TCB natural living treatment. This treatment is really amazing compared to other brands out there that I've been using. I really enjoy using this conditioner. It just gives my hair a very good sleep, and I like the fact that it is water based. It just makes my detangling process a lot more easy. So those of you who might ask who can use this treatment, as far as your hair is breaking, as far as your hair is fragile, as far as your hair is weak, you can use this treatment. You can also use this treatment if you have an irritated or a dry scalp or damaged hair. You can use this treatment. So those of you who might ask, will it make my hair grow? I would say it reduces hair breakage, it aids a stronger and healthier hair, and in the long run, it makes your hair grow. And lastly, if you have colored hair, you might want to try this treatment on a small section of your hair first so that it doesn't leave like a tint or it doesn't stain your hair. So that is it from this video. I hope you learned a few things from this video, and I hope this treatment works for you. Please feel free to ask any questions you might have in the comment section. I would be very happy to respond to all of them. And if you have tried this treatment before, let me know your reviews. Did it work for you? And this was the hair that I lost for my full hair after this treatment. And yeah, that's it for this video. Please give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, join the family, and I'll see you again next week. Bye.